Tabular data gets special treatment in Pennsieve. To show that, we upload a CSV of electrophysiology recordings, about 5,000 rows. Pennsieve recognizes the file as tabular and processes it into a queryable table on the way in, which is what unlocks the viewers we are about to use. Opening the file shows its details, type, size, and a status of processed, along with the viewers that come with it. The CSV Viewer renders the file as a grid, with every column preserved, subject, cohort, region, and the recorded measures. It shows 25 rows at a time out of just over 5,000. Paging through moves across the whole file without downloading it, so you can look at the data before deciding you want it. Next to it sits the Data Explorer, and this is the interesting part. It runs DuckDB compiled to WebAssembly, which means your queries execute right here in the browser, rather than on a server. There are quick queries to get started, and they reveal the one convention worth knowing. Whatever the file is called, you query it as a table named data. And because it is real SQL, you are not limited to filtering. This groups by region and cohort, averages the firing rate and signal to noise, drops the noisiest epochs, and keeps only well-populated groups. Executing it returns 10 groups, aggregated from 5,000 rows, with no round trip to a server. And the result actually says something. Mean firing rate is clearly higher in the treatment cohort for hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, while thalamus, striatum, and amygdala are unchanged, a region-specific effect found without leaving the browser. Results export straight back out to CSV, so a query you write here can become the input to whatever comes next.